Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Have you ever had to experience the dreaded broken makeup? Yes, I'm sure you have, but don't fret. I got something for that to make sure your makeup is almost back to brand new. So I'll be using a few items, nothing too fancy, and I'll be starting out with a plastic spoon to kind of crush that existing makeup that's already in my compact. In most cases, you can use a Ziploc bag and put the makeup inside the Ziploc bag, but in this case, I didn't have that much makeup left, so I just crushed the makeup within its compact. It's your choice, and you make that judgment call when you're fixing your own. So I'll just be using the plastic spoon to get that thing all finely down, or finely chopped, if you will. So I can start to mend the makeup together. And I'll just be using some alcohol, one small ingredient, nothing too fancy. Starting out with a cap full, I'll be just testing to see how much of this alcohol I'll actually need. Then I'll start to use the back of the spoon to kind of pat the makeup down, putting it in a pressed form, if you will, or forming the makeup in the compact of how I would want it to set. Pouring that alcohol right into there and just swirling the compact around, making sure the alcohol just kind of goes from or runs from one end to the next. And in this case, I noticed that I needed a smidge more, or a little bit more of alcohol. So I've added some alcohol back into the compact and just swirling that compact around, making sure the alcohol reaches from one end to the compact to the next, and just pounding it down to make sure it's all getting on each side of the makeup. And using my spoon to kind of make sure that all of it meets, or all of the alcohol is within the makeup and it's binding together. Now, this was my favorite highlighter, so I had to come up with something to get this right, y'all. This is my Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector, and I wear this like relentlessly, so I had to figure out a way to get this back in order. So then I'll follow up with just some regular tissue paper. You can do any kind of tissue paper, but I chose to use something that didn't have a pattern on it because I didn't want the pattern to transfer to that of the makeup. Then you'll want to use some type of lotion bottle or something with a flat top to help smash down or press down the makeup. During this process, will help to get that extra alcohol out of the powder, and you'll just continue to press that down. You can also use your fingers, you can use the back of the spoon if you like. That kind of helps get everything all pressed down and flat surface to almost brand new. And that's what it looks like for right now. Let's see, I think I'm going to use some more tissue to get that thing flatter, a little bit flatter, so it can look almost brand new. And you know what, guys? This method, or this DIY, works for almost any pressed makeup, be it eyeshadow, shimmer, even pressed powder. This will work for any makeup or product, if you will, without compromising the color. So this is definitely a win-win, and you won't have to go out and spend your money again on something that you truly love. So there it is, good people. Voila, it's almost brand new. I'm happy. I can now start using my favorite highlighter again without going back to the makeup store to buy me a new one. This thing isn't cheap, people, okay? But nonetheless, so I get it all pretty. I'm just cleaning it up, getting it ready for my makeup bag, and that's it. That's what it looks like. So now I'm just testing it on my skin just to let you know, or just to show you that the highlight actually, or the color, wasn't compromised by going through this process. It still gives off the shimmer that I love so much on my cocoa skin. So yeah, that's it, good people. Thanks for stopping by, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that button down there so you'll be notified every time I post a video. Until next time, ciao. They just used pens because I realized that just in case if I wanted to change this up throughout the year, I could.